Understanding the 10th dimension of the universe. What is the 10th dimension of the universe? The idea of a 10-dimensional universe comes primarily from superstring theory, a theoretical framework in physics that attempts to explain how everything in the universe is connected at the most fundamental level. Each additional dimension beyond the familiar tree, the length, width, and height, and one of time, helps explain the structure of the universe, the existence of multiple realities, and the behavior of fundamental forces.
First dimension, or tinatawag na length. Ito ay isang linya lang na consist ng single axis or coordinate x lang. Isang straight line lang to, ang measurable property lang niya is length. Any movement ay restricted lang backwards and forward. Second dimension, or tinatawag na height. Ito, ang plane na to, may dagdag na siya ng y coordinate, allowing na sa movement ng two direction. Nagkakaroon, ang two dimension ay word like piece of paper lang siya. Third dimension, or tinatawag na depth, or tinatawag na the world we live in. Ito ay nagdadagdag ng karoon ng coordinate na say, nag-introduce ng depth. Nagiging fully 3D object na siya. Ang movement nito ay left, backward, right, and up and down. Fourth dimension, or time, ay tinatawag din tong space-time. Dito pumapasok yung Einstein theory of relativity na time is treated as a fourth dimension. Nag-aalaw to sa movement ng time in one direction, past, present, and future.
Beyond the physical, the higher dimension of reality, fifth dimension, possible worlds, branching realities, sixth dimension, alternate timelines, all possible histories, seventh dimension, different physical laws, completely different universes. Fifth dimension is a space of branching realities, alternate version of the universe based on different choices. Though we can perceive it directly, it contains all possible outcomes of events like a vast tree of possibilities. The many-world interpretation of quantum mechanics support this, suggesting each outcome exists in its own parallel universe. The sixth dimension holds all possible timelines within a single universe, including alternate version of history. It's not just about different outcomes, but the entire realities where events unfolded differently, like if dinosaurs never went extinct or if you took another life path. Every possible past and future exists simultaneously in this dimension. The seventh dimension contains completely separate universe with different physical laws. These realities might have stronger gravity, different particles or forces that we can even imagine. They are distinct from ours because their fundamental concepts like the speed of light or gravity are entirely different. The final three, the ultimate levels of existence. Eighth dimension, infinite universes, the multiverse. Ninth dimension, all possible laws and timelines. The 10th dimension, ultimate everything, the mind of God. The 8th dimension contains infinite universes, each with unique laws of physics and timelines. It suggests a vast multiverse where every possible reality exists. Some theories even propose that black holes might act as a gateways to these other, distant universes. The 9th dimension is a collection of all infinite universes, each with different laws, timeline, and physical rules. It's a vast multi-dimensional web where every possible reality exists simultaneously. Stepping to this dimension would reveal an unimaginable shifting sea of realities beyond human comprehension. Finally, the 10th dimension contains everything possible, every universe, law, and timeline. It seems as a ultimate consciousness, existing beyond time and space, and some believe it could represent God, the source or the absolute existence of reality.
The implications of 10th dimensional universe. 1. String theory and unification. foundation of physics. 2. Multiverse and parallel universe. 3. Time travel and higher dimensional beings. 4. Consciousness and reality perception. Theory, nagsasuggest ito na meron pang mas maliit kaysa sa atoms at ang tawag dito ay string na nagva-vibrate. Ayon sa multiverse ay meron pang infinite versions ng katulad mo at maaari mo daw itong matandaan kahit hindi ito nasa iyong dimension. Ayon sa mga physicists na ang mga nasa higher dimensions ay maaaring masaksihan lahat at kaya din makapag-time travel. Dahil dito, ito ay nagsasuggest na ang mga spiritual beings at posibilidad na ang God ay nag-i-exist din sa higher dimension. Sa ngayon, hindi natin ma-perceive o ma-observe ang mga higher dimensions. Ngunit, ang mga concept katulad ng quantum entanglement at dark matter ay maaaring pruweba na sila ay totoo. At ito din ay nagsasuggest na ang God ay isang higher state of being.